we are on our way to Costco to get some gas and to get some groceries. Today has been a really long day, especially for me. I worked this morning and I had an afternoon full of trainings, and I actually just got off from work. There's a baby. Oh, where's she at? Where's she at?
I took a nap. I'm still waking up.
So yeah, that's what we're doing. We have the baby here. Menu for tonight, we are gonna make sushi bowls. Hey Pi, so what is your favorite Christmas song?
Well, I didn't really grow up listening to normal, English Christmas music per se. I mean, obviously in school and stuff, but anyways, at my house, somebody played, not my parents, because they don't listen to that, somebody played this old-timey Spanish Christmas album, and I think it's like from the 80s or maybe the early 90s. And that's kind of like the music that I play still, and it really reminds me of Christmas, and I really like it. But I don't really know the name of the songs. Look it up, please. The name of the songs or the album, I don't remember. I have to find it. But as far as English, I like It's Beginning to Look a Lot Like Christmas. I like there's this one song and there's this little part and this lady sings in this really sort of annoying little voice, and Janessa hates it. And every time that song plays, she's like, oh, change it, I hate that. And I love that, I don't know why.
She probably loves it because I hate it.
No, I like to imitate it, but I can't remember. I actually haven't listened to that song this year. I'll have to find it, but that song, whenever I figure it out, I'll let you know. But and as far as singers, I really like Michael Bublé.
Yeah, he's good.
I like Tegan and Sarah just came out with a Christmas song, which is interesting. Yeah, it was on that Kristen Stewart movie.
Oh, right.
Did I just call her Kristen? Kristen Stewart.
Kristen Stewart, yeah.
I really like Frank Sinatra. Oh, Lindsay Sterling. She doesn't sing, but her music, Janessa reintroduced me to her, and it's really good. What about you?
That's what I was gonna say. You still may answer. So, it's all good.
Out of all of them? That's it? Just her?
Yeah. Well, I prefer instrumental music. I just find it a lot more relaxing. So my favorite Christmas artist, I guess, would be Lindsay Sterling. She's an incredible violinist who plays the electric violin. Every time we come to the gas station, Oliver goes nuts. Like, he really wants to get to us. It's kind of weird because he's not typically like that. Right. Look, he's going crazy now. I don't know why. Even when we just go shopping, he doesn't act like that. He's just kind of lays down, goes to sleep. But at the gas station, he just barks and just gets, I don't know if he gets anxious or frustrated that he can't get to us, or excited. I have no idea. We'll be back. So we are shopping in Costco, buying things we're not supposed to.
We're gonna stick to the list, but it's not going great. Better than usual though.
Yeah.
This is the damage.
Do you ever feel like when you go to the store for groceries and you don't want anything that you bought? Actually, we do want the sushi bowls, but because it's going to take us a while, definitely wishing to go get some takeout or something easier.
We haven't been eating very good lately. No. Honestly, I feel like the weather change and stuff it really drains your energy because it's dark so early.
Right.
Isn't it? Come on.
It's getting dark at like 5.
Yeah, really, really early. We're gonna go to Trader Joe's and pick up a
sparkling wine. Yes. Sparkling peach wine at that. It's called Peach Bellini. All-time favorite sparkling wine.
I feel like I say this all the time. We don't really drink that much, but today's one of those nights.
And I have to pre-game for tomorrow because I have all-day training from 7:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. And then I also have work afters.
Yeah, so we're gonna, like Janessa said earlier, we're gonna make our infamous sushi bowls.
Praying it doesn't take long.
Yeah, we're gonna try.
Longish.
We're gonna team tag it, and hopefully we're gonna give ourselves an amount of time and make sure that we get it done. So we went on this kick for a little while of making sushi bowls
all the
every
time.
week when we first got married, And we ate them for, oh my gosh, I don't even know, weeks on end. And we were buying the little things of pickled ginger. I mean, we were literally going through that in like
A night.
maybe a bowl,
One
like
a night.
a bowl each.
Yeah.
So we ended up going to this, I think it's like an Asian market, and we found this huge, big ass thing of ginger, pickled ginger.
Yep.
So now that's what we get, because when we haven't had stuff like this in a long time, but when we do eat it, we go ham. It was really exciting because we found these. So Oliver gets bully sticks for his sort of
Calm
chewing.
down chewing.
Yeah, he'll typically eat about half or so, and then he'll kind of get tired and stop. But then the next day, he doesn't really want the one he's already chewed.
Right. He
So
wants the new one.
sometimes he needs either some coaxing, or we straight up have to give him a whole new one. But we found these smaller ones that were about half the size
of the big ones.
and it was like an 18 pack, which is really like good.
Pretty good, yeah.
So we bought those, and we're gonna see if two things.
If he takes to them.
Yeah, two things. If he likes them, and also if they last him long enough. Also, if you guys can give your dogs any chews or bones or bully sticks or anything like that, please make sure that you watch them and supervise them, because they tend to sometimes they swallow them, and you don't want any accidents, especially with small puppies. Well, actually, really small puppies probably shouldn't be chewing on super hard thing. We actually had one time this scare where Oliver had like maybe this like an inch left of a bully stick, but he was kind of toying with it in his mouth, and we were trying to figure out what was in his mouth, and we were like, oh, okay, it's a bully stick, but suddenly it was gone, like it just disappeared. He swallowed the whole thing. We were freaking out, of course, because we were like, oh my gosh, like, is he gonna choke, you know, like,
is he gonna digest it?
Yeah.
Is he gonna get stuck?
Yeah, so learn from our mistake.
Yes,
and
bunch of
make
shit,
sure
Oliver,
to
bunch of shit.
Yeah, learn from our mistake, and make sure that you watch your puppies when you give them things to chew on. Yeah. Pro tip. We made it to the motherland. Veggies, cream cheese. Jess is gonna make the rice. So for some reason, I always struggle to not overcook the shrimp. Overcooked shrimp are the worst. You don't want that. But you also don't want to undercook them, because then you're gonna get sick. It's a very fine line between not raw or overcooked. Jess found a perfect avocado. So this is the veggie situation, and this is gonna turn into our special sauce. We got some imitation crab over here. So this is the final product. I know, it looks messy, but I promise it's really good. I'm good too.
Okay, let's eat.
It's so excited. Yeah. No, you don't have any friends. I know.
Unfortunately, I'm sorry to tell you, it runs in the family.
Yeah, we have no friends. Oh, it's okay, Mama.